Hello guys and welcome to another David Zambaleta. My name is Serge and in today's video I would like to show you guys and talk about the valve body sealing sleeve in the ZF transmissions. I am working on my BMW ZF transmission and about to install the valve body, and I just wanted to show you how this locking mechanism works and how does it operate and how you can actually unlock it without installing the valve body sealing sleeve. How does it work? Because once you're going to be installing this valve body, and then you're going to have all your bolts maybe in place, maybe just ever so slightly tightened, and then you're trying to insert your valve body sealing sleeve, which is that round plasticky looking piece with a couple seals on it. If it's not in all the way, then you cannot push that little pin or tab, that little plastic thing on this transmission to actually lock it in. So I want to show you kind of like how it works. But if you do install your valve body and then you insert your valve body sealing sleeve and you push it in all the way, then this will actually release the pins and allow you to lock it in normally. So you really don't need to preset it or anything else. I just want to simply show you how this works, and I really hope this helps you out. Leave a like in description. Leave a like, please, on this video, and please comment in the description below if this helped you out. Enjoy the video. Okay, guys, I just want to show you this little trick, okay? And I don't know if there's another trick of doing this, but the reason you can't push this plastic piece back in there is because it's being stuck over here on that. That is preventing it from getting stuck, and it's going to be on both sides. That means yeah, I guess you could also put it from the top like that, see? But I don't see like this tab being reactive at all. The only thing is, once you lock it in, this will lock it in right here, see? And then you press this down and you slide this, you release it, but with it being in that position. Okay, that still does work. It still will insert, and then you just slide it forward and then it's locked in, okay? But at what point did it release? Okay, so that's not released yet. Okay, now just remember this position. At this point, it does release. How far back can we push it? Now that just locked it in. Just a tiny bit more, it locks it in. To help you with this, because like once you actually inserting this in, right? So this point, I'm not going to mess with solenoids because I don't want to remove them unless I'm replacing them. Also, I don't want to use that pan. I want to use the pan that I'm going to be using to go underneath, so I could have everything in one swoop. Here's all brand new transmission screws, but this is the new pan. I'm just gonna touch the seals because my hands are a little bit lubricated. We will just dab the seals a little bit. Just to kind of get them started. Okay, I think that's gonna be good. All right, boy, and now it's leaking fluid there. I want it to be done with leaking any fluid. because I hate when it drips on my face, because I'll literally be right under it. And that's another thing that I wanted to basically do, is just get out here and just go ahead and get it all ready.